Okay, so here I have ABSLIMUS. These are the 4-inch heavy-duty casters. So I'm going to be making a workbench, and these are going to be awesome because they are 1,800 pounds. I'm going to be putting a lot of weight on this table that I'm going to be making. But anyway, they feel really good, nice and rubbery, and then the bearing inside seems like it rolls really good. They swivel here. Here's a brake. So that's how the brake turns on and off. So that should be pretty easy to use. You get 4 of them, of course. 1,800 pounds, easy to move furniture and shop tables and whatever. You also get a wrench inside as well. And also a bunch of bolts, which will be used to attach if you're going to go this route as far as attaching them. Otherwise, you can just use maybe a lag screw to go right into your leg if you have a 4x4. Otherwise, you may have to use this if you're going with the metal route. But these seem like they'll be really good, nice and heavy duty and solid red color. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, they'll definitely roll good. Okay, so anyway, these are the 4-inch casters. So if you are building your table, just remember you got 4 extra inches. Actually, you got 4 inches here is the wheel, probably another maybe 5 inches or so for the caster there. So anyway, these are going to be great. Definitely check them out. Highly recommend.